Hey everyone, and welcome back to Mad Investor. So today we'll cover the mad news. As every week I cover what happened in crypto world over the last 7 days to give you a bit of a catch up if you're not following day by day for all the news. So let's get into it. So the first thing, Bitcoin soars above $50,000 while Cardano hits another all-time high. And we can actually see that Bitcoin revisited this $50,000 level for the first time since May 15th at 2:41 a.m. on Bitstamp exchange. And the market cap of the largest currency is now inching closer to hitting the $1 trillion level, currently sitting at 943 billion according to the coin market data. While Bitcoin relatively recovered to 50,000, Cardano is stealing the spotlight a bit because the native token of the top proof of stake blockchain has just hit another all-time high of $2.84. Another news, Binance will introduce KYC for everyone. And the CEO of Binance have posted on the Twitter that mandatory KYC for all services in Binance, action speaks louder than words. And when we look at their website, we see that with effective immediately, all new users are required to complete intermediate verification to access Binance products and services offerings, including cryptocurrency deposits, trades, and withdrawals. And for all the existing users who have not yet completed intermediate verification, will have their account permissions temporarily changed to withdraw only, with services limited to withdrawal. Binance strongly advises users to complete their intermediate verification, promptly to avoid delays in the verification process and restriction on their access. So this is mainly the measure to help support an effort to KYC and anti-money laundering. This will actually enhance user protection and combat financial crime. But while we're talking about Binance, I also like to talk a bit about Ethereum. Because since EIP 1559, which is the fork, more than 70,000 Ethereum has been burned. And the Ethereum network has removed 221 million worth of dollars of ETH from circulation since an update that changed the way miners are rewarded came into force. And what we see that on August 5th, the Ethereum developers have implemented the change to the network that burned gas fee instead of handing them to miners. And because of it, 221 million worth of Ethereum has been already burned since that change. And staking on Ethereum 2.0 surpassed 7 million ETH today. So with obviously getting burned so much, the price will slowly be going up. Will we see $10,000 this year? We'll see. Let's talk about the money and the banking. What we see is that Wells Fargo and JP Morgan are jumping the train because they both file for passive Bitcoin funds. And we see it at the 19th of August, banking giants Wells Fargo and JP Morgan both filed for the passive Bitcoin funds for their wealthy clients. And though initially anticipated to be actively managed, both funds were registered as passive. Notably, both banks are partnering with NYDIG on the offerings, and the new fund had no sales as of today. So as you can see, more banks and more institutions are jumping that train, as big one as this. Facebook crypto wallet is ready for the market, but is the market ready for Novi? Facebook has been working on crypto for years, and now it's getting ready to release the stablecoin wallet Novi. And we see that Facebook DM co-creator David Marcus announced today that Novi, Facebook long gestating cryptocurrency wallet, is ready to come to market. So the Facebook first announced its crypto project in June 2019, and last year it pivoted from plans for global currency to a US stablecoin. And its wallet is nearing to release, so we'll see what happens over the next few months to come. But on the other hand, and actually a bit of a different industry, we see that Pornhub embraces Bitcoin. When Visa and MasterCard cut off payments to adult website Pornhub last year, concerned over reportedly lax policies to prevent minors from posting content, the site leaned into Bitcoin payments. OnlyFans faced a similar conundrum, choose to say so long to the adults in the room. In the process, it may have left an opening for cryptocurrency-inclined competitors. So in the case, we see that this website and these companies are also jumping the crypto world, as we can see on OnlyFans, an online subscription service that became one of the world's top 400 websites by connecting viewers directly to the content creators, mainly adult models, has dumped the largest earners and banned sexually explicit material. So we'll see what happens over the next months. We see with companies like Pornhub joining the cryptocurrency, that will bring even more liquidity to the market itself. As we see the banks are joining, different niches are joining. Who else will join that crypto train race, I would say, within the next few months to come? Another news from PayPal. PayPal launches crypto services for UK customers, and PayPal customers with verified identities will soon have access to crypto trading. However, crypto transactions for PayPal business accounts are not yet supported, and the residents of the United Kingdom will be able to buy, hold, and sell cryptocurrencies through PayPal for the first time, marking a significant milestone for a company that began offering digital asset services less than a year ago. And the global payments provider announced Sunday UK will have soon access to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash through PayPal's website and mobile app. The announcement marks the first expansion of the PayPal's cryptocurrency service beyond the United States, as a service that first launched in November of last year. So this is a cool news for everyone in UK, especially that lots of different companies are jumping that wave right now. That they're looking into accepting, allowing to trade and actually work with the cryptocurrencies. So a bit of a different news. A Sweden government pays convicted drug dealer $1.5 million in Bitcoin. And the government of Sweden has found itself in an unusual situation of paying out around 1.5 million worth of Bitcoin to a drug dealer, whom they convicted and then jailed. And authorities are being forced now to pay the man 33 Bitcoin after his illegally obtained Bitcoin appreciated while behind bars. And 2 years ago, a Swedish court convicted the man for selling drugs online and illegally earning 36 Bitcoin from those sales. However, his prosecutor at the time, Tove Kullberg, used the fiat value of the coin to make her initial case. And as the result, the court judged that this man's illicitly earned Bitcoin should be seized, and its value of 1.3 million Swedish krona, which is $100,000, this mistake led to the court having to pay now 1.5 million to the drug dealer upon his release. And this is, I think, one of the biggest prosecutor's mistake in cryptocurrency, especially that in 2 years' time, the following this man's conviction and imprisonment, the price of Bitcoin has skyrocketed. His crypto stash had appreciated significantly to more than $1 million to satisfy the court's original settlement of $100,000. And the Swedish Enforcement Authority need to sell off just 3 BTC. Now that leaves 33 BTC worth of 1.5 billion left from the criminals' wallets, which they must return now. And this is a bit of a different news, I would say, especially looking that Sweden was probably not looking into that, but we know that a lot of countries are already implementing that, especially with fighting criminal and anti-laundering policies. This is it from today's Mad News. I hope that you enjoyed. If yes, you know what to do. Leave a like and subscribe so thanks that you won't miss any new videos, and well, see you in the next video. Take care.